Welcome to Valorant. Let's dive into the practice range with your squad. First, launch Valorant and head to the main menu. It's as easy as pie. Now, click on Play and select Practice Range. Ready? Let's go! Make sure your friends are in your party. Time to sharpen those skills together. Hit that start button. Get ready to practice your aim and strategy. Now you're in. Enjoy the practice range and level up together. Remember to communicate and share tips with each other. Teamwork makes the dream work. Experiment with agent abilities. It's the perfect time to learn. Challenge each other for fun practice matches. Who has the best shot? Finally, have fun, laugh, and keep growing together as players. That's it. Now you know how to enter the practice range with your friends. Get in there. See you next time for more tips and tricks. Happy gaming!